Hey, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on getting this AC controller working again. We'll go through the process right now. Our original one, as I'll show you right now, the car had AC originally from factory. They decided to take it out. They broke some components, and here we have, where is it? Okay. Where the cable hooks up for the blend door for AC and heater, they broke it. It's supposed to have a little tab like this so the cable can hook up onto. I'll show you now how we're gonna replace that. This is a 90 to 93 specific part, and it's no longer made, or it was never made. I don't know. I looked everywhere and I couldn't find it, and was able to source one. Thank you, Ralph and Eddie, for getting me that part. Big shout out to them. And off camera, I already removed the blower fan. I'm not sure if it works because it came out of a donor car I had, and the impeller itself seems to be in good shape. It's just dirty. The fan, I don't know if it works, but we're gonna replace it anyway, because once that AC box is on, I have no plans on taking it out. Had to clean the inside also. It was full of stuff, so I have to clean in there where that foam is, probably replace it. We'll be ordering this in the next few weeks, or probably sooner. The heater core, evaporator, I've already mentioned in a previous video. I have to repair this vacuum line. I believe it broke off once it was taken from the other car, this tip, so that's gonna have to be replaced. Thinking about replacing these actuators, don't know if they work, but like I said, once this box goes in, it's not coming back out, or at least that's the plan. So let's get into the footage now of fixing that AC controller. Before starting the disassembly, here we have an 87 through 89 AC controller. This is 90 to 93. There's a difference, and the parts are not interchangeable. This is completely different. From this one. So you can tell the knobs are in different position, and the actual gear assembly itself, it's different. This part is way longer than this one, and they're not interchangeable. So if you run into that issue, you're gonna need either a 90 to 93 or 87 to 89, depending on what your car is. All right, so here's one of the components to adjust the blend door with the cable. You see it's broken, it's missing the little tab, which you can see here. So now I'll show you how to basically swap it out. All right, so very important, you have to make sure that this is aligned the same way, because if not, your knob won't turn the whole way. So basically, let me get my pliers. Let's take this piece out. All right, we got it out. It's out. We can dispose of this. Now, Very important, have to adjust this the right way. If not, your knob won't turn the whole way. This was apparently installed incorrectly when somebody put it in. So basically, for your knob to turn the whole way, it has to grab onto this teeth so it can slide the whole way, as you can see there. So let's test it out. Put it back in, snap it into place. It's only one way this knob goes, as you can tell from here. So right now it's in heat. Let's put it all the way over to the other side. And there you go, it works. All right, so we put this screw back in. I don't know if I mentioned it, it's a 1/4 inch. And we're pretty much done here. As you can see, the movement, it moves, the front, we're back here. So basically, our unit is ready to be connected again once we put the box back in, as you can see here with the cable. All right, before I end off this video, I want to show you again the sunroof. It's just on there, it's not secured. Just wanted to put it there, see how it looked. We're gonna get to this after we finish that project. Gonna have to order the renewal kit to replace this seals and all the hardware. From LMR, that they have the full kit. So unless, you know, they want to sponsor me before I buy it, that's LMR. This car needs parts. Looking at you, that needs parts. Need to make that look pretty. Still need to put that back together. So, balls in your court. In all seriousness, I don't expect any handouts from anybody. I do this all out of my own pocket, and yeah, just for the fun of it, and want to get this car back on the road. Want to be able to cruise it around, and yeah, we're getting there, and it's a lot of steps, but we're making progress, especially on the little things like that. I hope this video helped at least one person out there that has had issues with that blend door part where the cable goes. Hopefully I helped somebody with that. If there's something that I've talked about that of doing in a future video and you want to see that first, also let me know. Put it down in the comments. And I think I'm gonna wrap up this video. Please like, share, subscribe, drop a comment down below. All those things helps my videos be found, recognized, helps in the algorithm. So I would greatly appreciate it, and see you guys on the next one.